Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Home with Samsung SmartThings, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Ensure that your Google account is signed in. Tap on the plus icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Setup Device from the options that appear. Choose Works with Google. In the search bar, type SmartThings. Select SmartThings from the list of available services. You will be redirected to the SmartThings login page. Enter your SmartThings account credentials. Tap Sign In to proceed. After signing in, you will be prompted to authorize Google Home to access your SmartThings devices. Review the permissions and tap Allow to grant access. Once authorized, you will return to the Google Home app. Now you will see your SmartThings devices listed. Choose the devices you want to link to Google Home. Once selected, tap Next to confirm your choices. You can organize your devices into rooms for easier management. Tap Done once you've finished organizing. Your SmartThings devices are now linked to Google Home. You can start controlling them using voice commands. Test the connection by saying, "Hey Google, turn on device name." If successful, your SmartThings devices should respond accordingly. You have now completed the authorization process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.